My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called Prynt. Prynt is the name of the ransomware that encrypts the files that the customers store on their computers. The ransomware then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file recovery after it encrypts the files. So before the ransomware attack, people are definitely able to open their files without problems. But then, after the ransomware successfully injects the system, it starts immediately modifying the data. And pretty soon, people notice this special Prynt, Prynt extension added to all the files. And of course, people cannot open these files anymore. The good idea is to go to the task manager and carefully look for the list of suspicious processes which could be running in the background. If you find some suspicious processes here active, you need to end their task by right-clicking on them and ending their task to stop the further file encryption. So typically such ransomware has got a special long and random name, so it's a good idea that you end its task in order to stop the further encryption of your files by this particular ransomware. And as you can clearly see, the ransomware also changes your desktop background that says all your files have been encrypted with Prynt remote ransomware. Now, the ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom, but of course this doesn't guarantee file recovery. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a special program called Combo Cleaner. Go to the C drive, select Program Files, choose Internet Explorer. As probably the only available browser in this case, I recommend you to go to the page combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner. Install the application. After it gets installed, you might need to implement similar tricks to start the program. Go to Program Files, choose Combo Cleaner. Look for the program called Combo Cleaner and start the application in order to detect this particular ransomware and remove it effectively. So Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database. After that, click on Start Scan button and begin the research and analysis of your computer. It might take a while until the antivirus database is successfully updated. After that, the program will give you the full summary of all threats that were found during the scan. Now, Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your files from ransomware attacks. You may go to Combo Cleaner settings, select Anti-Ransomware menu, and you'll see that there is a special option to select a special folder in your computer that will contain your files, your valuable data, and Combo Cleaner with the premium version will protect your files from being damaged and infected by any ransomware. But as I said, this feature is only the part of the premium license. So, Combo Cleaner, after it updates its definitions, will help you to remove this Prynt remote ransomware and to protect your files from being damaged in future.